Everyone, this video is created to tell you about HTML links and images, and myself, Ms. Survi Saroha. First of all, we talk about HTML links. Now, HTML uses the A. This A is known as anchor tag to create a link to another document or web page. So, what does it mean? It says that, as I told you, HTML is used for making web pages, right? So, to connect two web pages, we use anchor tag, that is A tag. The anchor tag and the hyper reference attribute, actually href is known as hyper reference. So what they say, an anchor can point to any resource on web. So they say it can point to any resource on the web. Web is the internet. An HTML page, an image, a sound file, a movie, etc. The syntax of creating an anchor is, this is how you connect two web pages with this syntax that is just below. That is A is for anchor tag, href is hyperreference. It is referring to the page which needs to be linked with the first one, right? H reference, which means hyperreference, equals to URL. URL is the full address of the page you want to connect. In that page, it can be a sound voice, it can be an image, it can be a movie, or it can be another page of HTML as well. And whatever you write, text to be displayed, and then anchor tag close. The A tag is used to create an anchor to link from the href attribute is used to tell the address of the document or page we are linking to, of course. So A tells, anchor tag tells that which you would be referring to the other page, okay? And the words between the open and close of the anchor tag will be displayed as a hyperlink. So this is how two pages in the web is connected with the use of anchor tag and href attribute. Then I come to HTML images. Now suppose on a web page you want to put some images. So how image would be possible? So this is possible this way. Just the image tag and the src stands for source attribute, okay? So what they say is, first of all, the image tag is used, and then the attribute for image would be src. The img, this is the tag for image tag, okay, is empty, which means that it contains attributes only and it has no closing tag. So this is like img is never closed, it is only a open tag. So we have basically two type of tag. One is open and other is which we container tag, which we close as well. To display an image on a page, you need to use the src attribute. Now what they say, what does, as I told you earlier also, that src stands for source. So you have to tell the from where you have to take the image. So that's the attribute of img tag, that is source, src. The value of the src attribute is the url of the image you want to display on your page. And of course this is the example just below. For example, you have, if you want to put an image, you have to first of all in src, that is a image tag attribute src, which is telling the source of the image, which what is the source, the complete name and the exact location of the image is given. Like graphic is the name of the image slash chef.gif is the extension of image file, okay? Now next, this is an example in which you would be knowing perfectly that how to display this coding in notepad and how it should be written. So this is the opening html tag, then followed by head, then title, and then whatever the title you want to give to your web page, you write my first web page, okay? Then title close, then head close, which was before title we were using head, right? Then body, in the body h1 stands for heading, so it says heading aligns, you already know align means alignment. This is the align at h1 heading attribute is align, in which we already know like alignments are central align, right align, justified, and left right, that ways. So what they say, this say alignment is to be center my first web page, then you close the heading. P is for paragraph, so this P is for paragraph. Welcome to my first web page. I'm writing this page using a text editor and plain old HTML. Again paragraph close. Next para we write that P, again a paragraph tag is there. By learning HTML, I will be able to create web page like a anything you can write that would be coming in the next para. BR is for break, line break, which I am of course, and then paragraph close. Then continuing with the same program of making a web page, this thing is for comment. Whenever you want to write a comment, this is like exclamation mark and two dashes. Who would have guessed how easy this would be, with a smiley, then a paragraph. And this is what I was telling about, like image we have taken a attribute is src, that is source, the complete url of the image. And you can even mention how much width and height the image should be. Alter, suppose if the image do not get buffered at that meantime, what kind of alter means? Alternative image. If the image do not load on a web page, then you can give an alternative image url as well. And then you can align the same to center, then paragraph close. Then p align again, the alignment is equals to center. This is my chief, then slash p, then again body close, and finally html gets closed. So as it is this code, if you copy on the notepad and then save it with .htm or .html extension, and then run it on your browser, and you will see the web page. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Have a nice day.